Assalamualaikum, welcome back to my channel Learn with your buddy, and today we will learn how to download code blocks in Windows 10. So for this we will go to our Chrome and then search for code blocks, but it's already here, so we'll click here and we'll click downloads here. We'll look for binary release. No, it's always at the top, sorry, my bad. We'll click here. Okay, we'll just close this, just an ad. Okay, now we will scroll down and look for MinGW setup. Here it is, and we will click to sourceforce.net here. Okay, the download will start after a few seconds. Here it's downloading now, and here we can see our download history. Now it will take a few minutes here. We use code blocks for doing C and C++, and C programming is the most nearby language to our computers, and our computer recognize them very easily, and they take less time to give any kind of output. And we can also do good projects for graphics in our code blocks. So it's done now, and thus we will double click here. Click yes in everything, whatever you see there. Okay, now it's starting. Now we will click next here. Okay, here the agreement, I agree. Okay, we can see their MinGW compiler. Okay, we will keep them as they are, and we will click next. Here, and we will keep here also as there, and click install. The files are installing now. It will take a few minutes here also. Here is done now. Here we will click yes, next, finish. We can see that here's the compilers. Okay, now we will click OK. Here it is our code blocks. Let's make our first code block, file, new. Okay, here untitled one is the name of our file. We can change it if we want. Okay, now let's start our first coding. Hashtag include. Now let's make the include bigger. Because in the view we can see the logs here. Okay, we'll know about log, and we'll go to setting and editors, and then choose. Okay, and we'll click size here, and then okay. Yeah, the include is bigger now. So if you want to edit the size of the alphabets, then we will click settings and then editor, and the thing I have shown you. Yeah, stdio.h. Okay, now enter integer main, first bracket close, enter second bracket. Yeah, now we will print our first code. Printf first bracket quotation and assalamu alaikum. Okay, and then semicolon at the end of the line, and again enter, return 0, and also semicolon at the end of the line. Okay, in the second bracket, everywhere in every end of the line we will just give the semicolon. Okay, now we will just save it. Okay, as it's a C programming, that's why .c. Okay, now yeah, I can see here is an error. Okay, I know what the error is. Okay, so in C programming, we need to write printf to print our output, and yeah, here we can see our error also. See line 4 and line 4. Okay, we will just run this now. Yeah, we can see it. Assalamu alaikum. Here is our first code. Okay, so thank you so much. In the next video, we will make projects on our code blocks. So till then, Allah Hafiz.